the broken compass of empire, and 49 and 2 sails cut through dawn's blue veins.
They called it discovery, but for the Taíno it was pain.
New world, they said, as banners kiss the breeze, but each wave carried change, not peace upon the sea.
Columbus, your compass was broken, guided not by stars, but by greed unspoken.
You came with crosses, gold and flame, left only ashes, tears and
Africans came to replace the dead, the same old chains.
Hey! No drums, no laughter, no song remains. The wind whispers only forgotten names.
Feels like empty temples torn, the people erased, the world forlorn. Fever, famine, blade and creed, history writes in the blood of the freed. They said it was sickness found no root, no holy land, only the curse of your own hand. Hey!
Columbus, your compass was broken, yet from your wreck new strength has woken. We tell the stories, we claim the scars. Our ancestors live in the beating stars.
The Caribbean remembers, the sea still cries, but from those tears a new sun will rise.
They came for gold.
We gave them land and love.
They took our world,
But not